So I'm gonna make a turkey burger as well. I'm actually going to top mine with some goat cheese, and then I'm going to make a honey mustard and Meyer lemon sauce. So I'm gonna start with some honey, and then some Dijon mustard, and then I'm gonna take some Meyer lemons. Now, Meyer lemons, you might not be able to find them all year round or where you live, but if you can't, that's okay, because you can sort of emulate the flavor by taking a lemon and some orange, because it really tastes like a lemon that has been kissed by an orange. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice. I'm gonna take a strainer so I can actually catch the seeds. A little salt and pepper. I think what I'm gonna do is take another lemon and just kind of get some zest in there too, because the zest really gives it a lot of flavor. So I'm gonna assemble my turkey burgers. This is just ground turkey. What I like to do with my burgers is I just like to keep them actually nice and pure. Just the ground turkey, some salt and pepper, a little bit of canola oil or vegetable oil on the outside, and then we let them grill. All right, so now I'm gonna take a little bit of canola oil and brush the canola oil right on top of the burgers. A little salt and pepper on both sides. And we can get these on the grill. So I am also gonna toast my hamburger rolls.
That's the way to do it.
Gotta do it, don't you think?
Definitely.
All right. Now, the bun shouldn't really take too long. I mean, literally, maybe 30 seconds. You have to be really careful, depending on how hot your grill is. All right, so I'm gonna turn these now. And that's what you wanna see. Nice and crusty on the outside. Let them finish cooking. So I'm gonna take, on the bottom of our buns, I'm gonna take a little bit of our honey mustard, Meyer lemon sauce.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah, it's really pretty, and it tastes really good. It's a little sweet, a little spicy, a little citrusy. So I'm gonna actually start putting a little goat cheese on the burger now and let it start to warm up on the grill while the rest of it cooks through. All right, I think these are done. I'm gonna put some of our sauce right on top. And for some freshness and a little bit of crunch, watercress. There we go. Yeah, to me, that's like perfectly cooked.
Wow,
it's cooked all the way through,
meaty.
but at the same time, it's still a little juicy. Give it a shot there.
Okay. That is juicy and delicious. And the goat cheese comes out, it's so fresh, but the slight sweetness.
The honey and the mustard, yeah. I mean, to me,
That's
it
what
works.
makes it.
It works well with the goat cheese.
It's delicious.